Hey, we got another PC port.
Oh, cool. This is the RAM. Yeah, we decided to go with this. You wanted RGB RAM, so we went through for this 32 gigs of RAM. This is two 16 gigabyte sticks. So, um, yeah, your RAM is going to be your short-term memory, basically, like when you have like Google Chrome running and Discord
A lot
and
of things running at
yeah, all
once.
the programs running at once. They're all going to take up some RAM.
Cool.
And this
And
is
these change color too, right?
yeah, you could actually program these colors.
Oh, cool.
These are the black ones here. Yeah, because you wanted a kind of like a darker theme to the inside of your PC.
Yeah,
So this is gonna look really cool, especially all lit up.
exciting.
Yeah.